What's going on, everybody? I'm Brian, the B-Rex Beekeeper. So, I was on the Facebook the other day. Guy said he had an extra queen. I was like, yes! Messaged him right away, and my wife went this morning and got it. So that's good. So, that hive that I accidentally killed the queen, I went to that weak nuke that was not doing anything. The queen would lay a whole bunch of eggs, and the eggs wouldn't, that was it. That never done anything else. It never went into a larvae, nothing. So I don't know if there's something wrong with the queen, but when I put the queen in the other hive, same thing. I thought maybe it was a nurse bee issue, but it's not. I think it's a queen bee issue. So this couldn't have happened perfect timing. This guy said he had an extra queen, so we went and got it. So I'm going to take that queen out and then put the new queen in there. Yeah. Hopefully they're calm because it's overcast, off and on raining. So that could be good. Raining's good. Rain is really good when you're beekeeping. Oh, makes them mad. And somebody's blowing up tamarite. Tamarite. Yeah. Lots of explosions in my neighborhood. Anyway, before I get started, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Inching my way. Getting closer to 1,000. But anyway, let me get suited up and we'll get started. See you in a minute. Okay. So yeah, I'm still rocking my neighbor suit. Mine is out of commission. Zippers fell off. Okay, so it would be great if I could open this up and there's larvae everywhere and I could just go ahead and split a hive and start a new one. But that is usually not my luck. Okay, let's be nice, girls. I know it's raining. It'll be just fine. Ooh, I remembered it. Yep. That's good. All right. Checking. Okay. I smoked it a lot on the bottom, so the queen should be up here, but we'll see. Ooh, I'll get my queen catcher just in case. Hey, Yep. Yeah. I love beekeeping in the rain. Well, off and on raining. It's not raining currently. But while I was setting up, it sure did rain on me. Socks already wet. Okay, still nothing. Not even an egg yet. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Okay, I know, it's raining. She is just yelling at me. There's a bee emerging. That's pretty cool. Where are all the eggs? Where's everything? What's going on here? What's going on, girls? Yeah. Boy, they were packing in the honey up here. They might have pushed her down. They said, "Hey, no more. You're not up here anymore." We got Brazilian pepper to store. I think they pushed her down because there's not even an egg up here. But you never know. Let's just keep on going. Thanks for being calm with me, girls. Seriously, last time there's more eggs in this. There's a drone egg. One single. Oh, two drone eggs. Yeah, there's definitely something wrong with her. Yeah, here's all the eggs. Crap ton of them. But that's as far as it goes. So strange. I mean, it was 4 days ago that I did this. There should be larvae. Should be, for sure. Watch me not be able to find her. They are blowing all kinds of stuff up over there. Jeez. All right, come on. Seriously, where's she at? This one doesn't even have anything done to it. There's a blank. Yeah, make sure she's not on the wall over here. Nope. Okay. She's not on the second floor. Move. Thank you. I don't want to squish you. Stop it. Okay. Okay. Jeez. Yeah. Ugh. Oh, we'll just put that right there. All right, Queen. It's like they know that I'm looking for her. Let's hide her. Nope. Okay, okay. Right in my face yelling at me. Ooh, this is a lot of pollen. What? Is that a queen cell practice cup? What is this? Yeah, okay. It was nothing. Whew. think I got this at the perfect timing because there's it's getting low on brood. And if you go too long, you lose your nurse bees. At least, that's what I was told. Oh, this bee went right up my back. That's not good. Oh, great. Don't sting me. Okay, I think I'm good. Okay, where are you? Oh, here's the bent frame. This one needs swapped out bad. Huh. Where are you, girl? Check on my queen here. You okay in there? Okay, she is. She lost her attendance. Where are you, girl? Seriously. Where is my light? Come on. Oh, yeah, there's all the eggs. Ton of them. But that's it. You on this frame? Sure is a lot of eggs. Oop. Okay. I know. I squished one. I heard it. I didn't like that. No. Stop it. Would you stop it? Yeah, this is. This is pain in the butt. I don't know where she went. Oh, there's no elasticity on this bee suit. So they just go right up my shirt. Feel them crawling on my back, my belly. Yep. I gotta order another one. What is going on right here? Why are there so many bees here? You over here, girl? Nope. Well, not there. Yeah. Only got a few more frames here. This ain't good. Holy crap. Okay. Just time of day. Overcast. Not time, just overcast. They're not liking me. So many eggs, but where is she? Huh. Oh, here comes the stings. They're stinging my suit right now. Oh, my shirt again. I'm going to have to tie something around there. Oh, come on. Don't get all the way up. Don't. Okay. Two more. And then I want to get the queen excluder and start shaking bees. I really didn't want to have to do this or do that. I wanted to just find her, kill her, give them about 20 minutes of no queen, and then put the new queen in there. But no, she's got to be old stubborn girl. Hide. At least you don't have problems finding queens. And there goes another explosion. Okay, let me get more equipment. That stinks. I really didn't want to do this. Be right back. All right. How do I want to do this now? Well, let's start with the honey super first, I guess. Oh, wait. All right. Stand by one more time. I got to cover this. Might put something around my waist. Okay, I'm back. I got another box, too. And ratchet strap. Come on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. There you go. Oh, I cut back some of it. Okay, let me move this. I said, okay. I'm just going to do it right here. I know. I don't care. I just need to get this done. I'll put this here. The excluder of the queens. And this lid. Or not lid. Oh, there's a huge hole. There you go. Why not? I'll just switch them. Ugh. Okay, here we go. There's a lot of bees on the side here. Let me move them. All right, let's give a little peek. There she is. All right, where's my queen? Oh, where's the queen? There's. All right, girl, come here. I love this way finding queens. There she is. Right there. That works. I'm telling you, man. You can't find your queen, you do that. Okay, let me go ahead and take care of this queen. I should have brought my alcohol with me. It'd have been quicker. So quick, just alcohol, just they die quick. I'm not putting the queen excluder on until spring. I just want that queen to be able to lay wherever she wants to lay. Okay, let me go ahead and deal with this real quick. I'll be back. Okay, the deed is done. I don't like doing that. I don't take any pleasure in doing that. But it's part of beekeeping. You got to do it. So let me put this all back together. And I'm going to wait a few minutes to let them know that they're queenless. Even though I heard that they'd know right away. Oh yeah, they're already yelling. They got loud. I don't know if you can hear that. Okay. In the meantime, right now, is see if you can see. Got my queen here, and there is a. Let's focus here. Candy plug right here. That is a lot of candy plug. I don't like that. I don't like how much is there. Me personally, I like to dig half of it out. That's just me, you know. Just what I like to do. I'll dig half of that candy plug out, and it makes it easier. Because here in Florida, it's humid, really, really humid. and it makes the candy plug sticky. All right, let's see how they see how this works. I'm gonna just layer it to the side and see if they're like, hey, a new queen. Got a queen for y'all girls. Has it been still too early? What I like to do is I like to just sit her inside the hole on top of the top board. Yeah, they're ignoring her. That's kind of weird. Usually they crowd her, get on, walk all over, tend to her. But they're not being aggressive towards her, so that's good. I said I was gonna wait 20 minutes, but it was like 10. Yeah, I know. Let me give us a few minutes and I'll keep an eye on this. I'll be right back. I think it's success. I think I could say it's going to work out. Let me show you why. I think that. So they've been here for a couple minutes now. I know it's not a real long, but they're just checking her out. I even got a bee in here. Already started working on the candy plug. Now you can see, it's hard to tell, but you can see I removed some of that candy plug air. It's just something I like to do. Yeah, it looks like it may be a success. I like it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, take her and just put her in there just like that. That's how I like to do it. Other people do different things. They're not balling her up, nothing, so it looks like it might work. So it'll take them probably 2 days, I'd say, to get rid of that candy plug. Anyway, sweet. All right. Success. Or is it too early to say success? I don't know. I think it worked out. I think it did. I don't know why I had so much trouble finding her. She must have been, I got a lot of plastic foundation in there. You know how that has that big groove around when you use plastic? It seems like the queen hangs out in there, especially when you puff some smoke in there. She hides. Yeah, man, couldn't find her. But that technique with the queen excluder, every time works every time, 60% of the time. Anybody know what movie that's from? Anyway, yeah, they work great. It works every time, honestly. It does. I've never used that technique and it not work for me. So, I'll come back in about 3 days. Check on my weekend. Yeah, because it's my work week right now. So, yeah, I'll check here in a couple of days and I'll check that nuke and see if anything happened. See if a queen came back from mating flight. I'm pretty sure there were some queen cells. I mean, we saw them, so we'll see. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching. See ya.